Hello everyone, myself Dr. Anuradha Sharma, and today we will discuss some important points of biology which are very important for your upcoming NEET 2021 and 2022. So first of all, we will discuss some of the full forms which are used in biology. First is HIV. We know HIV is human immunodeficiency virus, and this virus is responsible for causing AIDS. So this virus causes the AIDS. Next is ELISA. The full form of ELISA is enzyme linked immunosorbent assay. And this ELISA is used to detect AIDS. So it is a technique of antigen and antibody reaction. Next is SCP. SCP is single cell protein. Lab, we know it is lactic acid bacteria. AIDS is acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. STP is sewage treatment plant. ATS is anti-tetanus serum. Other full forms are: first is MMC, that is megaspore mother cell. PEN, that is primary endosperm nucleus. PEC, that is primary endosperm cell. GnRH, that is gonadotropin releasing hormone. WHO, that is World Health Organization. STD, sexually transmitted disease. MMR, it is maternal mortality rate. IMR, it is infant mortality rate. Next is EEG, that is electroencephalogram. EMP, that is Embden-Merov pathway. ESR is erythrocyte sedimentation rate. FSH is follicular stimulating hormone. GH is growth hormone. GHP is glomerular hydrostatic pressure. SCG is human chorionic gonadotropin. HDL, we know it is high density protein, lipoprotein, and LDL is low density lipoprotein. LH is luteinizing hormone. ADP is adenosine diphosphate. AMP is adenosine monophosphate. ATP is adenosine triphosphate. ATPase is adenosine triphosphate. NSC is light harvesting complex. ETS is electron transport system. PSI is photosystem 1. PS2 is photosystem 2. PGL is 3-phosphoglyceraldehyde. DPGA is 1,3-biphosphoglycerate. PGA is 3-phosphoglyceric acid. Now for NEET point of view, we should also know that basically there are two types of ribosomes. Ribosomes, we know they are concerned mainly with protein synthesis. So basically there are two types of ribosome. In prokaryotic cell, the ribosome is different, and in eukaryotic cell, it is different. In prokaryotic cell, 70S ribosome is present, and it is divided into two subunit. The bigger one is 50S and smaller one is 30S. This 50S is made up of 5S plus 23S ribosomal RNA, and 30S is made up of 16S ribosomal RNA. Now, eukaryotic cell has 80S ribosome, and it is divided into two subunits, 60S and 40S. This 60S is divided again into 28S plus 5.8S and 5S ribosomal RNA, and 40S is divided into 18S ribosomal RNA. So both the cells have different type of ribosomes. Now, for NEET point of view, we should know certain scientists who are considered as fathers of various branches of science. Like first is Aristotle, he is known as father of science zoology. Alex Jeffrey, he is known as father of DNA fingerprinting. Next is Alexander Fleming, he is known as father of antibiotics. Carolus Linnaeus is known as father of taxonomy. Gregor J. Mendel is known as father of genetics. Hippocrates is known as father of medicine. Louis Pasteur is known as father of fermentation. Robert Hooke, this is very important because he is known as father of cytology, and he gave the theory that is cells exist from pre-existing cells. Stanley is known as father of virology. Theophrastus is known as father of botany. So for NEET, we should remember these scientists and their concerned fields. Now we know that due to chromosomal disorders, there are certain diseases. So first is Down syndrome. Down syndrome is the trisomy of 21st chromosome, and this is 45 plus XY, 45 autosome plus XY sex chromosome. Next is Klinefelter syndrome, which is represented by 45 autosome plus XXY. In this, they have trisomy in X chromosome. They have one additional X chromosome, and due to which there are certain feminine characters. Next disease is Turner syndrome, which is represented by 45 plus XO, and this occurs in monosomy of X chromosome. So these are some of the disease which are very important for your upcoming NEET exam. Now we should also know certain pH values. Like blood, the pH value of blood is 7.4. The pH value of tear is 7.2. Skin has pH value 7.4. Saliva has pH value 6.3 to 6.7. Urine has pH value of 4.4 to 8. Bile juice has pH value of 7 to 8. Semen has pH value of 7.2 to 8. Vagina has pH value of 3.8 to 4.8. Now, we should also know for NEET 2021, we should also know some of the smallest body parts. Like smallest bone is known as stapes, and it is present in the ear. Smallest muscle is stapedius. Smallest ligament is known as annular ligament of stapes. Smallest tendon is known as tendon of stapedius. Smallest organ is the pineal gland. Smallest nerve is trochlear nerve. Smallest artery is arteriole. Smallest vessel is capillary. So these are some of the smallest body parts which we should know. Now some of the important facts about human body. Like biggest organ of the body is liver. So liver is the biggest organ, and all the metabolic activities take place in liver. Heartbeat of human body, it is 72 times in a minute. Master gland of the body is known as pituitary gland. Number of bones which are present in the body are 206. Number of muscles are 640. Number of chromosomes is 46, that is 23 pairs. Normal blood pressure of the body is 80 to 120. Now we know that there are basically 5 types of antibodies. So we should know the function of each and every antibody and its type. So first is important antibody is antibody G. This is the antibody which crosses the placenta, and this antibody is most abundant secondary response. So this is the antibody which is found in secondary response. Next is antibody A. This is found in body secretion, colostrum, saliva, and tears. Next is antibody M. It is found in pentamer, and it is involved in primary response. Next is antibody E. It is mostly found in allergic reactions like helminthes, infection, etc. Next antibody is IgD. It is present on the surface of the B cells, and the function of IgD is it activates the B cell. So these are the some of the antibodies with their function. Now we should know the substance which is associated with the acid. Like orange, in orange there is citric acid. In apple there is malic acid. In vinegar is known as acetic acid. Curd, it is lactic acid. Tomato